Hey, welcome back to another episode of the She's Making an Impact podcast. I'm your host, Rachel Ngom. Today we're talking all about multiple income streams and why you need to create a new income stream stat. And I'll be sharing with you all of our income streams, how you can get started, and all of that. Welcome to the She's Making an Impact podcast. I'm your host, Rachel Ngom. I'm an entrepreneur, mom, adventure lover, and creator of Pin with Purpose, the Impact Blogging Academy, and Activate. I went from food stamps and negative $400 in my checking account to a multiple six-figure online business. This is your show to learn from me and other rockstar entrepreneurs how to monetize your passion and live out your purpose. If you're ready to increase your income while making a massive impact on the world, this is the show for you. I'm so pumped you're here. Let's get started. First, I want to share with you why I'm kind of obsessed with having multiple streams of income. So let's go back to 2015. I was in network marketing and created a pretty successful business. We were making six figures and life was good until the company restructured. My income was cut in half. So it went from a nice cushy six figures to $4,000 a month. And this was literally our only income stream that was coming in, and then boom. And it felt like this happened overnight. Like it was cut in half and we were just left scrambling. So ever since then, I have been really passionate and intentional about creating multiple revenue streams and sharing this with our students and helping them. And so I was actually talking to one of our students that's going to be in our next round of Activate, and she is a freaking rock star, but she only had one revenue stream. And then something happened within her company where her competition came, took half her customers, and her income was cut in half. And so that's one of the things like I'm working on with my students in Activate, making sure we're creating more than one revenue stream. So I'm going to be sharing with you just a couple of the ones that we have in our business. I'll actually probably share with you most of them just to give you a few ideas. And okay, so I'll just list them out and then I'll kind of break this down. So we're actually still making money from network marketing, which is insanity because I haven't touched this business in over 2 years. We're making typically like $1,000 to $1,500 a month, which like this still blows my mind. Like, I can't even believe it. We also manage Pinterest accounts. So that's another one of our income streams. We do affiliates. And so I'm an affiliate for Amazon, Kajabi, ClickFunnels, Bluehost, my friend Christina Gendali, Amy Porterfield. What else? The Knowledge Business Blueprint with Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, and just like different things that I use within my business that I'm passionate about, and I just want to share that with other people. And so if it's something I'm going to recommend, might as well be an affiliate for it. We have online courses that we sell. So Pin with Purpose is one of our courses that teaches people how they can use Pinterest to get new leads and sales into their business. We have a little upsell on that course as well. Another course that we have is Creating Killer Content. That's like our mini course, and our Repurposing Content Masterclass. Within my fitness business that I haven't touched in 2.5 years, we actually still make sales from that, which blows my mind. But my ebook, Keto-ish, teaching people how to eat high fat, low carb, and an online course that I created called the Food Freedom Project. Those are still selling, crazy. And then coaching. So I have private coaching clients within my elite coaching program, and then our group program, Activate, and we do Pinterest deep dive sessions as well. So let me break this down for you because I didn't start out with all of these at once. So network marketing was, still my first revenue stream, and this was my introduction to entrepreneurship. So I'm so grateful for this. And this is something I haven't touched and am still making money from. So I started with Beachbody and then decided to do my own thing. And I created an ebook and then launched my very first online course. So my ebook, Keto-ish, don't expect to get rich from a $9 ebook. We made $1,000 the day it launched. It crashed my website. It still sells. But it's not like you're not going to make $1 million from a $9 ebook, most likely, unless you have insane numbers. But for me, this was great validation for people, for me, that my people wanted more and I could branch out and do my own thing. So I knew I wanted to get out of the fitness space and really switch niches. So in August of 2017, that's when I started She's Making an Impact. And in September, we launched Pin with Purpose, which is our bread and butter course. This sells every day. We've had over 1,000 students go through this course. I don't know the exact number, but it's been really cool. And since then, we've added more courses that's going to help and serve our audience. So like I mentioned, creating killer content, that's our mini course. And we have had probably 2,000 students go through that. And it's only $17. And then we have an option for our students to add on our content creation masterclass or repurposing content masterclass when they purchase. So I'm just a huge fan of online courses because this is such a passive thing that you can do that can generate huge profits for you. So you could be on vacation and still making course sales if you have a funnel in place. I hope you're enjoying the episode so far. Just wanted to pop in here briefly to talk to you about my free Pinterest masterclass. So Pinterest is kind of my jam, right? I've used Pinterest to get over 20,000 leads into my business for free, and increase my site traffic by over 34,000. So I want to teach you how to do this. So jump on my free Pinterest training. Just go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll teach you how you can double your leads and sales using this freaking awesome platform and automate the process at the same time. So go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll see you there. Okay, and then coaching. So we have private and group coaching that we offer, and I've had a lot of people asking like, what are you doing? Can you help me? And so I've added in coaching as one of the ways that I serve people. And this is one of my favorite things to do because I get to be really involved in their businesses and really help them, step in, like hold their hand a little bit more, and help them succeed. And that brings me so much joy. So I started getting kind of maxed out on private clients. And so I decided to add in my group program Activate about a year and a half ago. And so this still allows me to be involved in my students' businesses. It just doesn't require as much of my personal time, especially since we've added in coaches and trainers within the program. That's getting them awesome results, but it doesn't require me to do, one-on-one calls with however many people we have in the program at any given time. So if you're not doing some form of coaching in your business, that's something you could think about adding. Something else that we offer, like I mentioned, Pinterest management, done for you services. So we listened to our audience. We knew that they needed help managing their Pinterest accounts. So we added in Pinterest management. So done for you services is something that you could add to your business as another revenue stream. And then I mentioned affiliates as well. So I want you to think about what you're using on a daily basis. What are you already recommending? And could you become an affiliate for that? So some of the affiliates and products I'm using are software, or courses that I've gone through and I've gotten really, really great results. Or I've written blog posts about products I'm an affiliate for. So when people come from Pinterest or from Google and they read the blog post, we have our affiliate links in there. Some of our affiliate stuff, it's on the back end of people going through our online courses, and we have products that we recommend within the course as well. Or I've been affiliates with some of my friends or mentors in the industry who have gone through their courses and loved it. So think about someone that you could work with that would be a good complement to what it is that you're already doing. So I was in twice, I think. I've been a part of my friend Christina Gendali's launch. She launched her Facebook group program, and I decided to be a part of that, be an affiliate for her because what she teaches in Facebook groups goes so well and is really complementary to what I teach about Pinterest. And then outside of an online business, I read the book Millionaire Maker by Lori something. I wish I could tell you what her last name is. And also Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And I've gotten so big into investing outside of my business. And so in Millionaire Maker, Lori talks about using your business as a money machine of generating income with your business and using that to invest in other areas. So other things that we're doing, and if this interests you at all, let me know, because I love talking about all this stuff, but I want to create content that's really going to serve you. So let me know what you want to see. Just send me a message on Instagram at She's Making an Impact. So one of the things that we did recently is actually Airbnb Arbitrage. So we are renting an apartment in Senegal, West Africa, where my husband's from. It's about $500 a month. We had all of our furniture from France that we shipped over to Senegal, and we needed a place to put it. So we rented the apartment, put our furniture in there, and we're actually listing it on Airbnb. And making a profit off of that, which is pretty cool. What else are we doing? Obviously, investing in Vanguard index funds is a big thing. I went to Tony Robbins' Wealth Mastery program in the Netherlands, and that was really, really cool. If you're just getting started with investing, I recommend reading Tony Robbins' books, Money Master the Game and Unshakable. And I've gotten really passionate about just setting aside a lot of money to invest in there and having our money grow. And then the other thing that we're doing is we're actually going to be buying land in Senegal and building an apartment complex. And so my husband has been in Senegal for the past 5 weeks, like making all this stuff happen. So we found the plot of land. We've talked to a lot of people and basically are going to put everything in place. We're going to create 12 units. We might have like a daycare at the bottom floor. I'm not sure yet, but I'm really excited to kind of get into that and get into the real estate game. So Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And so we actually work with a wealth manager now. When we ran the numbers of the business, our online business and then the real estate that we're going to be doing, and we're like, how could we retire by 40? I'm 32 right now. So how could we make that happen? And it actually seems really, really possible. And even though I could retire at 40, that doesn't mean I would. I would be so bored and I will still work. But just knowing that that's a possibility is insane. That is freaking crazy. So that's it, talking about multiple income streams. I would just love to hear from you. What resonated with you? What's an idea that you have? You can shoot me a message on Instagram and send me a DM there, or you can actually text me and we can talk over text. So my number on text is 815-357-4020. Just text the word impact and then we can chat over there as well. So I hope you found this helpful and I will talk to you later.
Please go to iTunes and give my mommy a 5-star review. Thank you.